Hi children, I'm Lisa from Book Belong Pikinini, and I'll be reading Book Belong Pikinini's own published book. This book is written by the children from Book Belong Pikinini at Koki Learning Center. Before I read, let's say the parts of the book. Front cover of the book, back cover of the book, spine of the book, edges of the book, and pages of the book. The title of the book is called Book Belong Koki Market. Here is the sun. Here is the sea. This is a house. This is a tree. My fish can swim. My pig can fly. Do pigs fly? Don't think so. Look at the boat. Look at the sky. Here I am with my father and mother. Here is Billy with his baby brother. Here is my teacher in front of the school. We think going to the library is cool. And this is the end of our story. Thank you. Goodbye.